Most people believe building muscle is all about lifting heavier weights, more plates, bigger machines, expensive supplements. But what if that's not the real reason muscles grow? Because the truth is, your body doesn't care about the weight. It only responds to one thing: tension. And you can create that anywhere, using nothing but your own body. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 calisthenics exercises that can build just as much, if not more, muscle than traditional weight training. Some of them look simple, but once you try them, you'll understand why they work. Before we start, hit subscribe now. Drop a comment because this is the kind of training most people completely ignore. And let's get into it. Exercise 1, step up with knee raise. This is a unilateral movement that combines strength, balance, and coordination in one exercise. It primarily targets the glutes, quadriceps, and hip stabilizers, with strong activation of the gluteus medius to maintain pelvic alignment. The gluteus maximus, the largest muscle in the body, plays a key role in both aesthetics and lower back stability. To perform it, step onto a sturdy platform using one leg, drive through your heel, and raise the opposite knee to hip height. Lower yourself slowly to maximize the eccentric phase. Avoid pushing off with the back leg or rushing the descent. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Exercise 2, decline push-up. By elevating your feet, you shift more load to the upper chest, shoulders, and triceps. This mimics the incline press without equipment and creates a more complete stimulus for the chest. Keep your body straight, lower until your chest nearly touches the ground, and push back up while maintaining control. Avoid flaring your elbows too wide or shortening the range of motion. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 3, Tricep Dip. This movement is highly effective for building the triceps, which make up about 2/3 of your arm size. It places the triceps under deep stretch, increasing hypertrophy. Position your hands beside your hips on a bench, lower your body until your elbows reach about 90 degrees, then push back up. Keep your shoulders down and elbows pointing backward. Pause briefly at the bottom to increase tension. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 4, elevated glute bridge. Elevating your feet increases the range of motion, creating a deeper stretch and stronger contraction in the glutes. Lie on your back with your feet elevated, drive through your heels, and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Hold briefly at the top, then lower slowly. Avoid using your lower back instead of your glutes. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more science-based training content. Exercise 5, Pike Push Up. This is one of the best bodyweight exercises for shoulder development and a progression toward handstand push-ups. Start in a push-up position, raise your hips into a V shape, and lower your head toward the ground between your hands. Push back up, focusing on your shoulders. The more vertical your body, the harder the exercise. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Exercise 6, Mountain Climber. This exercise combines core stability, cardio, and lower body engagement in one continuous movement. From a plank position, alternate driving your knees towards your chest while keeping your core tight. Maintain a steady rhythm and proper form. Perform 3 sets of 20 to 30 reps per side or 30 to 45 seconds for conditioning. Exercise 7, Copenhagen Plank. This is a powerful isometric exercise for the inner thighs and hip stabilizers, often neglected in training. Lie on your side with your top foot elevated on a surface. Lift your hips and hold your body in a straight line. Focus on tension in the inner thigh and core. Start with 15 to 20 seconds per side and gradually increase. Exercise 8, Inverted Row. If there's one movement that ties everything together, it's this. The inverted row builds your back, biceps, and posture all at once. It's also the perfect stepping stone toward pull-ups. Grab a low bar, lie underneath it, and pull your chest up while keeping your body straight. Squeeze your shoulder blades at the top, then lower slowly. The more horizontal your body, the harder it gets. Do 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. These exercises prove one simple truth. You don't need equipment. You need the right approach. Real strength comes from how well you control your body. So don't just watch, use this. Pick 3 to 4 exercises, stay consistent, and watch your body change. For the next step, check out the video on your screen to unlock mobility and improve your results. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who thinks you need a gym. Your transformation starts now. See you in the next one.